iVo's SupaFoam is a brilliant breakthrough in chemical-free cleaning technology. You can clean with just water with iVo SupaFoam, and it's available for all sizes of square plate machines. Especially orbital machines are available in square plate, and also some hand tools which no doubt you'll be very familiar with, such as the Handy from iVo and also our Extendi holder. Brilliant for cleaning in all small areas, but also for the larger specialist cleaning, heavy duty cleaning with the iVo Orbimax range. The iVo SupaFoam can be used with just water, which makes it a brilliant help in protecting the environment and providing the chemical-free environment that so many large companies are looking for. 2019 is going to be the year for chemical-free cleaning, and iVo SupaFoam is here to help you achieve that goal.